Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to be treating this circuit that looks very difficult, but yet it's very easy. Anyway, if today is the first time you are watching my video, kindly click the subscribe button, share this video, comment and like the video. Let's go to the business of the day. We are given a circuit and we are asked to find the equivalent resistance between point A and point B. The resistor here has the value of 4 ohms. This one 12 ohms, 12 ohms, 12 ohms, 12 ohms, 8 ohms, 12 ohms, 12 ohms. So if you look at this circuit very well, you will see that all these resistors are connected in parallel. But a critical look at the circuit, you will see that this point, and this point are a common point. We can just say they are just connected to one point. If you look at it again, you see that this point, this point, this point are a common point again. So that means we can resolve these 3 resistors, 1, 2, 3, in parallel, and we can also resolve these 3 resistors also in parallel. Remember what we said before, that when 2 or more resistors of the same value are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance will be equal to the value of one resistor divided by the number of resistors in parallel. So we use this formula to resolve this circuit. Let's go straight to the solution. So if we look at these 3 resistors, 1, 2, 3, they are in parallel. So that means I can call this point C. I can also call this point D. So we want to find the equivalence resistance between point B and point C, and also between point D and point A. I can call this R equivalent between point BC will be equals to, they are in series, they are in parallel rather, and they have the same value of resistance, 12 ohms. So we can say 12 divided by 3, that equals 4 ohms. We do the same thing for point A and point D. So R equivalent of point AD will be equals to 12 divided by 3, which is 4 ohms. This point and this point, this and this are common points. This and this are common points. So I can decide to call them point A and point B. So let me redraw this circuit. This is point A and this is point B. This is the center of the circuit. This to this is this to this, and the resistor here is 4 ohms. From this point to this point, we resolve it, and the value is 4 ohms. From this point to this point, we resolve it, and the value is 4 ohms. So what we now have is point C and point D, which is the same point as point A. So that means here we have 8 ohms. You can see this and this are now in series. Since they are in series, we can withdraw it as this. They are in series, the equivalent is 8 ohms. Here we have 4 ohms, and here we have 8 ohms. So at this point, they are all in parallel. That means the equivalent resistance 1 over R equivalent be equals to 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 4. If you do that mathematics, you will see that the LCM is 8. 1 plus 1 plus 2. 1 over R equivalent equals to 4 over 8. Then the equivalent resistance will be equals to 8 over 4, which is equals to 2 ohms. So this is the value of the resistance between point A and point B. It's very simple, very easy to do. If you have any question, any comment, please put it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.